Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new unboxing and let's gonna test it out if it's gonna be working right. So already I have already the Airfly SE, right? So this is a Bluetooth receiver, right? Which you can use it into the airplane, right? So and also I think I can use this up into my iPad Classic, right, and also into my CD Walkman. So let's go gonna have to try it out. So okay, let's go gonna have to try it out if it's gonna be working. Okay, so I'm gonna have to change the angle of the camera so that you can see the actual of this one. Okay, so alright, here we go. So this is from Walmart and also it is on clearance, right? So just $20, right? $20 for clearance. So the price before is $34.97, right? So that is the biggest deal, right? So you don't have to worry about that $20, right? So $20 for me is enough, right? $20 for me is a cheaper one, right? So it is gonna be on June 9, 2025, right? So okay, so let's go gonna have to okay, as you can see right here at the back, as you can see, connect wireless headphones to any wired headphone jack, right? Used to pair wireless headphones with in-flight entertainment systems, listen to your health clubs, TVs with your wireless headphones. Built-in battery lasts more than 20 hours and recharges via USB-C, right? So we can see, and but I have to use it in here, and also I'm gonna have to try that in here also. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put that step aside first. So let's go gonna have to open this up. Okay, yes, what is this? Okay, is there a seal on it? There's no seal. Okay, so but this one is hard. Okay, this one is hard. Okay, let's go gonna have to okay, so let's go gonna have to try to open this up, right? Okay, here it goes. Okay, so let's go gonna have to check it out, this one right over here. All right, so for only $20, so I finally so for only $20 I finally got it, right? So we've got right here is the item. Okay, we've got right here, and then we got also some USB-C. Oh, they got some right over here. What is this? What is this? Okay, okay, what is in here? Oh, okay, they got some, right? So paperworks. We got some 12 South Korea just a different way. Okay, so yes, we're gonna go right over here, and then I'm gonna put that one. Oh, we've got this one right here, a pouch. Okay, let's go gonna have to check this on. Okay, we've got right here is the, and also we've got some quick start guide on how to put headphones in pairing mode. Okay, if you have AirPods, put them into pairing mode by holding the button on the back of the case until the status light flashes. Okay, turn on Airfly SE and then plug Airfly SE into headphone jack. Okay, once light on the Airfly SE turns solid white, you are connected. Plug Airfly SE into the headphone jack. So slide the on and off switch up. Airfly SE will flash white and amber to indicate it's in pairing mode. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to try this out. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put this one. Okay, so gonna have to put this one over here. So I have my JBL. Okay, and also I have my right. So let's go gonna have to try it out if it's gonna be working, right? So all right, so and then it's on. Okay, let's go gonna have to try that on. Okay, Okay. So alright, it's already what is this called? It's already connected. So let's go gonna try it up. Okay. Wow, I am so impressed. Wow, I am so impressed. So it is working, right? So it is working in my iPad, right? It is working in my iPad. So I don't know. Also, I don't know if it's gonna be working into my CD Walkman. So let's go gonna have to try it out. Okay, let's go gonna have to try it out. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. You know that. Airfly. Good. Right. Nice one. Okay. Yes. Yes. So all right, it is really working. So the CD right is the My Chemical Romance, the Black Parade album, right? The Black Parade album. So it is really working. So I didn't expect that, and also the quality of the quality of the quality of the music of the sound. The quality of the sound is really good. It has a bass on it. You can really feel the bass of the music in this Airfly right over here. So this is a one good steal for me to have this in Walmart for only $20, right? That is the cheapest. That is the cheapest for me. So Americans, right? 20 is twin. I know already Americans that twin. I know already that Americans is gonna be, all of you watching that 20 is so expensive for you, right? So, but for me, 20 is so right, so cheap for me, right? A big deal, right? 30, 34 before, right? 30. Okay. The price before is 34, and now it is $20, and it's in on clearance. So I just found it in the clearance aisle, so that I wanna check it. Oh, Airfly SE. Wow. Okay, I didn't expect it that it's just only $20, right? So $20 is good, right? So if you don't like $20, right? So if you want so much cheaper, huh? You can go something anywhere that you can have it, right? So in Amazon it is so expensive. I think expensive in Amazon. So I found some Airfly SE in Amazon, but I didn't like it a lot. So I didn't I didn't buy it is because I need to save some money, right? But when I found this in Walmart, biggest deal ever. All right, so this is the perfect, right? So this is so perfect. So I'm gonna have to turn it off. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn it off. So this is a one hand oven, good, and also yeah, perfect, and also God. Yes, I love it. So, gonna be using my iPad. Okay, I'm gonna be using my iPad for this one. Nice. Okay, and also I really like it. Very good still for me to have this one also, right? For Bluetooth connectivity, right? So this is one is good. And if you want to go on an airplane flight, so you can use this you can use this into the airplane, watching movies, right? Listening music. So listening music also, right? So I don't know if it's gonna be working in my DVD portable, right? So I'm gonna have to try that out. Okay, so it's gonna be working, all right? Okay, so yes, perfect. And also my impression for this one is very perfect, so I'm gonna give it 10 over 10, right? So this is a good one also, and I really like it a lot. It is also a rechargeable, right? You got some charger over here, and you got some pouch, okay, for you to put it on, right, in your Airfly SE. All right, so okay, that's it for today's vlog. So, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, also click the notification bell, so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and see you again in the next video, everyone.